I've never got these injectors clean before. Been running E85 for at least 30,000 miles on them.
That's about idle right there.
7,000 RPM.
These three are pretty dirty.
Ultrasonic cleaner. Nice and clean. She's definitely more responsive. About to start doing the stashy dash. First spot, we're in Concord.
First one here, where we at?
Okay, first winner.
A little too late, dog.
Damn. Next spot, Martinez.
I went down the street.
Congrats, bro. Hercules, 2 minutes.
Killing it hot. We gotta go.
No. You better hurry. Richmond.
They pulling up fast. Congratulations, bro.
Like when you guys said drop your CDs, I'm like, do it in Bridge.
Richmond. Gilman Street.
He found him.
Last drop by the Claremont. All right. Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. So today I'm here at City Alignment in Concord, and we are going to be pulling the injectors out of the drift cat so I can take them up to the homie Brandon and get them clean, because I've never got these injectors clean before. And I've ran E85, I've ran 114. I didn't run 114 for too long, but I've been running E85 for quite a while, since I've been with Overkill. These have been the same fuel injector clinic 1200cc injectors, assuming they're gonna be pretty dirty. Like you guys saw in one of the previous videos when I went to get it dyno tuned, we were having some fuel issues. We got all the fuel issues sorted out, but one of the things that was in question was the injectors being dirty or clogged. So we'll see how dirty they are when we go get them tested. The injector harness all pulled off. Get that damn fuel rail out of there, and then they're right underneath. Easy peasy. Yeah, those do look a little dirty, don't they? Wow. Oh, Lily 85. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. But yeah, I think these injectors have probably at least 30,000 miles on them, maybe. Never been clean. You can see how dirty and gunked up they are. Now onto this side, and then we'll head up to the homie shop. Literally just 4 plugs to the harness, unbolt the fuel rail, pop him out. Should have did this a long time ago. It's just hard to find someone that has a injector cleaning and testing machine, you know? So my guy Brandon,
What's happening?
what's going on, bro? So I haven't gotten these cleaned in at least 2 years of running E85.
We just hook up the machine right here. It'll throw some fluid through it. We're gonna do a little sprayability test first. Make sure they're all spraying.
Nice.
Make sure they're not stuck. Because if they're stuck, then we'll throw them in the ultrasonic cleaner right here.
Okay.
We'll let them run for a bit.
What kind of fluid do you run through them?
It's like an ultrasonic cleaner for injectors. It's
Okay.
special for injectors. You gotta bite on one. Make sure they're all holding pressure. No leak. That's about idle right there. These three are pretty dirty. This one's flowing the highest, so we'll see if we can get these three to at least flow with that one's flow. Cool to kind of like see how it works inside the motor, how that's spraying in the cylinder like that.
Yeah. Yeah, because normally you would never see this.
Yeah.
You'd never see this going on. Damn. 7,000 RPM.
So you see how this one's winning the race?
Yeah, it is.
We gotta get these to flow like that one.
Huh. That's crazy. Tell these guys where they can come get their injectors clean or any other motor work and shit done.
Come down to Red Zone Race. We're at 511 Wilbur Ave in Antioch.
Yes, sir. Tell him I sent you. He'll hook you up.
It was good.
I have a lot of really nice projects in here. Like you guys have seen this Notch, Marrow, Nova up there. A lot of different projects. Super long body over here. Look how long this trunk is. You can tell this car's got some history too. Few battle scars. Throwing them in the ultrasonic cleaner. And ladies and gentlemen, this is why you clean your injectors. We got the injectors clean. Shout out my guy Brandon. Nice and clean. These are the Fuel Injector Clinic 1200cc things. What happened?
Check it out.
Oh no. First startup, not the best. It was definitely a little choppy. That was just because there wasn't any fuel. Look at this. Prime it. Sounds good. No check engine lights or anything. Your face was stressing me out the whole time.
There's a lot of corn flying around.
All right, so spark plugs are changed. Just that little blip of the pedal.
I didn't think you did the spark plugs.
Bro,
I think we did injectors.
bro, earlier today, I called the fucking fuel rail the frame rail. I don't know what's going on today. We cleaned the injectors.
Spark plugs.
Spark plug. It's got me fucked up. Got the injectors clean. It actually felt a little bit more responsive.
Cabin filter.
Cabin filter. Yeah, we got the lug nuts all swapped out. But yeah, it felt a little bit more responsive. So I'm gonna go drive it for a little bit. But shout out to my guy Cisco and Danny. He's nice. Let's go make sure this thing runs perfectly fine and see if it's any more responsive. And honestly, the idle sounds cleaner. Everything sounds cleaner about it. I should have got the injectors cleaned a long time ago. She's definitely more responsive. All right, so we're about to start doing the stash and dash here really soon. We're at In-N-Out real quick. But look at this. Look what he did to the damn ketchup. Which one holds more ketchup? Bro, give me the answer. Which one holds more ketchup? It's the same amount.
I don't lie, his are saucy, bro.
Show the top view. Show the top view. Top view. Okay. Yeah.
That thing's deep.
Comment down below which one holds more ketchup. We're about to eat and then start doing the stash and dash. So stay tuned. We're about to do like 10 stops. We're about to hit a bunch of different cities.
I know, but it gets shorter once you unfold it.
I looked over, I was like, what the fuck happened to your ketchup container, bro? All right, first spot. We're in Concord, California at the Sears. What you got?
I got a hat and a shirt, man, right here, and a keychain.
Hello. Hello.
Just free stuff, man. If you're out and about, come fuck with us, man.
Yes, sir.
Right here.
I'm gonna put the
go ahead,
white shirt on top right there. Yes, sir. All right, so it's 10:09 right now. We're gonna see how long it takes for someone to pull up. We're not giving them the exact location. We're just telling them the city and then showing them like a obvious sign of some sort. We showed them the Sears Auto Center. He pulled up on the curb.
Quick with it, man.
Okay.
Shout out, man.
Yee.
First one here, wherever you at.
Man, that's right.
How you doing, dog?
Totally, bro.
Quick little stash and dash winner. Okay, first winner. Hello.
Hello, stay shitty.
Oh.
Hey, man. Hey, man, I'm the next one, man.
Second person pulled up. A little too late, dog.
I'm in the wagon, nigga. Who's that? That's what's it called?
That's Paradise.
Hey, that shit clean, Brody.
Damn. A little too late. That shit's gonna start getting flooded now. Next spot. All right, so it's 10:18. It took 9 minutes for someone to pull up. Less than that though, cause we've been there for a couple minutes. What city we to next?
I don't know what to know. Richmond, San Pablo.
Shit.
Pablo Casino.
Martinez.
Yeah, let's hit Martinez. The Q and Brew and the Yo Sushi. Next spot, Martinez, California. Second spot at the Yo Sushi. See how long it takes for someone to pull up. Second winner.
That's funny because I live down the street, so I was just on the way home.
For real? That's perfect. Hell yeah. Second winner.
Shout out to the Martinez spotters too, man.
Yee. Hell yeah. Congrats, bro.
Next spot, we out.
Second person already pulled up. And the Lexo thing. Hit it. Hit it, D. Hit it, boy. Hit it, Ed.
I don't know the words, I hit that.
Go, Tom. Go, Tom.
I don't know all the words, but
All right, now we're in Hercules, California. Powder keg. If you know, you know. Quick as fuck. It was like 2 minutes.
Where they come from, the back road?
I think so.
Where'd that come from, that road?
how you guys doing?
Good. How you guys doing? You need a smaller size?
Huh?
You need a smaller size for him?
Man, if you got one,
That's
yeah.
a large, yeah. Killing it hot. We gotta go. All right, man.
Hey.
Have a good one, bro.
Hey, right on, G, for coming, man.
Next spot.
Stay tuned.
They coming fast.
man, be good. Jen, every kind of
Hello.
Be more into doing thuggish, rugged things.
doing thuggish, rugged things.
The breezies, you know.
We're on the way. Canoa next. All right, Pano, California. Next spot. Thai Spice. Thai Spice right there. Bruh's already here from the last spot. That's damn. Hey, you better hurry. He's pulling up. You better hurry. You better jump out and get. Hey, you better hurry. Woo! Damn. Damn.
That's what you get for cheating.
Hella people pulling up. We ain't even posted yet. What the fuck? We ain't even following that. What's up, bro? Here. Hey, Vaughn. Bro, he followed us from Hercules. Next spot. We in Richmond. Yeah, Sirski, right across from the taco truck. They pulling up fast as hell.
Oh, man.
There's a sticker up there too. There's stickers up there too. Hell yeah. Congratulations, bro. Hell yeah, hell yeah.
Quick, what's happening, man? Oh, man, you cheat, man. You right by the
They coming. Damn, he's still going. You finna pop that one tire. Damn. We gotta give him something. We gotta give him something.
No one ever comes to Rich. That's why I was like, when you guys said drop your cities, I'm like, do it in Rich. No one
Richmond.
ever comes here. Ever.
They all got their tees.
All right, thank you guys.
Hell yeah, have a good night, y'all. Now we're in Berkeley, California. Right here by the soccer fields, like Gilman Street. So let's see how long it takes them to pull up here. We try to go somewhere that's kind of hidden. It's like a if you know, you know spot. He coming in hot. He found him. He found him. Okay. Yee. Another car coming in hot. Last spot of the night. Last drop by the Claremont. Came and grabbed him. Hello.
Hey, came real fast, man.
Yee.
Yes, sir. I missed the first birthday spot, but you know I had to.
Hell yeah.
Man, good night, buddy.
All right.
Hey, shout out, man.
Yee, appreciate you, bro.
We're in Las Vegas Victory Lane for Fox Television. Ricky Bobby, today's big winner. Heck of a win for you today, but it seems as if you either win or crash the car trying to win.
Well, Dick, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff. You know, I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first,
The bumper
you're last.
kind of good there,
You know,
my guy.
what I'm talking about? That phrase, trademark, not tradition, Ricky Bobby.
They didn't see nothing.